glazed garlic butter salmon. This right here is simply amazing. It is hard to put it in words how delicious this is, but believe me, it is out of this stratosphere. All right, and it is so easy to make, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So we are gonna begin with our beautiful salmon fillets. I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil on them, and I'm just gonna rub it all in as you see me doing here on the screen. Once we have both sides all oiled up, ready to go, you know we have to season them up like our life depends on it. You know the motto on this channel, ain't nothing bland over her. All right, so go ahead and season this up proper. And if you don't like heat at all, if you're not really into spiciness, you can kind of take out that cayenne pepper altogether. But I love that little hint of spice with the sweetness. I feel like it just all balances together and gives you just amazing flavor. But again, if you don't like spicy, I wouldn't put the cayenne in there. But it was more like a little hint of heat, because like I said, that honey that's in this recipe is just gonna balance it out so well. Moving on, I have my pan here to about a medium. I'm dropping in about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're gonna go ahead and melt that down. And what I'm dropping in is about 4 cloves of some crushed garlic. You could use minced garlic if you want, but I find it better just to like crush them and just drop them in there so that butter really infuses with the garlic. Okay, so now I'm dropping in my salmon fillets. I'm cooking 2 at a time, and then I'm just gonna cook that last one separately. But I'm just gonna let the first side cook for about, I would say 3 minutes or so, maybe 3.5 minutes, until it's nice and beautiful like mines are looking. Then I'm gonna give it a flip, cook it for the same amount of time on the opposite side, and I'm gonna remove it from the heat. I'm getting that last piece of salmon taken care of. Once that last piece of salmon is done and out the way, I'm gonna take that and put it to the side as well. And we are gonna add in a splash of some freshly squeezed lemon juice. We are gonna drop in some honey. I'm gonna grab my spoon and just kind of stir all that goodness together. We also gonna drop in a few slices of lemon as well. And we are gonna plop our salmon right on in there, and we are just gonna baste it in all of this goodness for about a minute or 2. You want to be careful to not overcook your salmon here and have it end up all dry. You want it beautiful and moist, you know what I'm saying? So you don't want to cook it too long at this point, because it's pretty much almost done. But I did lower my temperature to more like a medium low or something like that. And I'm just basting it with all of this goodness, getting all that flavor, you know, talking to each other, you know what I'm saying? And this is the end result right here. Look at that salmon glisten on the inside. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. Your eyes are not deceiving you. This is beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Party in your mouth. So many awesome flavors going on. And it's something you definitely have to try. Shout out to all of our channel members. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit a like on this video to make sure YouTube knows you're loving this content. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. And I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.